here one more thing. See, this is also another one method. The string should be divisible by k. Here it will be, the string will be divisible by k. See, that is only the divisible by k problem. See, here we are using one technique. See, the technique will be divisible by k. Then we can be finding that one state will read one input symbol, where it will be go. See, that is only the main thing. Here we are using the steps to be followed to the DFA as shown below. See, once we can go for the divisible by k method, what are the steps we are using? That is very, very important. The first one is the step one, identify the randex. Or for example, already you know that you are the mathematical students. So I think in the first semester you are studied already. The randex means, what is the randex? Anyone? See, that is like a base. See, randex is what we need to input. Then input alphabet is sigma. Then divisor is k. See here, see, that is only the mainly we can identify what is the randex. Randex means what is the input. See, identify the input. Mainly we can go for the randex of input. See what we are using. Then the input alphabet is sigma. Then once again we can go for the divisor of k. The step to compute the possible remainders. Then one more thing, when we can go for implementing that one, we can go for computing the possibility remainders. That is also very, very important. The computing the possibility remainders. Then these remainders represents the states of the DFA. Each and every remainder represent the states of the DFA. See, once we can calculate the remainder, that remainder will be representing the states of the DFA. Next, step 3 will be the finding the transitions using the relation, the transition of q1 of d. Either we can take it the q of d. See, that is q of d implies it will be qj. See, that is one state. It is in the ith state. Transition of q of I means it is called a one state. It will read the input symbol, then it will go to the another state, that is called a q of j. Where how to calculate the j means j is equal to r into I plus d modulo k. See, modulo means remainder. See, one more thing, randex into I plus d, then modulo k. Then we will explain that what is r, what is I, what is d. R is called a randex of input. For example, if you take the binary inputs means 0 or 1, that base is 2. See, that is only the randex is 2. See, that is only the randex of input is for the binary r is equal to 2. For the decimal it will be 10. Then for octal it will be 8. Then I is equal to remainder obtained after divisible by the k. See, that is the remainder obtained after divisible by the k, that is called a I. See, remainder obtained after divisible by the k is called a I. Then what is the d? D is a digits. For the binary it will be d is equal to 0, 1 means we call it, that is called a input symbols. 0, 1 will be the digits. Then once again k is equal to divisor means which element we are using to dividing the this one randex. See, that is only the r is equal to randex of input. For binary is equal to, for binary we are using the 2 is the randex. Then once again I is equal to remainder obtained after divisible by the k. Then d is equal to digits. For that binary d is equal to 0, 1, k is equal to divisor. See, this is the main we can using to the equation. See, that this is the equation we are using. Then we are finding the transaction. See, this method we call it, that is called a divisible by k problem. See, using this one we can go for constructing the DFA using the transactions obtained by in the steps 3. What are the transactions we are getting? Using the transactions we can go for designing the DFA. See, once again I will repeat this one. The divisible by k problem. The divisible by k problem is that string should be divisible by k. See, that string, what are the string we are considering, that will be divisible by the k. Then we are using the certain steps. First step is we identify the randex, input symbol and divisor. See, that is only the main. Once we can read that problem, then we can go for finding the randex, input alphabet, then divisor. Then after that, we compute the possibility remainders. See, according to this one, we can go for computing the remainders. See, what are the remainders? It will come under that this one. Using that remainder representing the states of DFA. See, using these remainders, then only we are able to representing the states of DFA. But we need to do the transactions. We are using the delta is equal to Q1 of D is equal Qi of, see, that is Qi of D is equal to Qj. Then where J is equal to R into I plus D modulo K. See here, R is equal to randex of input for binary is equal to 2, then decimal is equal to 10, octal is equal to 8, then hexadecimal is equal to 16. According to the number system, we can take the randex. Then I is equal to remainder obtained after divisible by the K. So once we are divisible, we are getting the remainder. That remainder is equal to I. Then D is equal to digits. For D is equal to 0, 1. For example, in the binary, what are the numbers? Say our binary itself, it will come for 0, 1. The K is equal to divisor. Then after using this third step, we can go for constructing the DFA. Then we'll go to the first problem of this method. See, first problem is construct a DFA. Construct a DFA which accepts only those strings representing 0 modulo 5. See, they are clearly there mentioned that construct a DFA which accepts only those strings representing 0 modulo 5, or question will be like this: draw a DFA to accept the binary strings divisible by K. See, draw a DFA to accept the binary strings divisible by K. See, one more thing. See, the question itself that clearly mentioned that one. For example, if you are taking the string is divisible by, what are the, see, it is a combination of zeros and ones, because we are clearly mentioned that one. See, accept the binary string. See, then accept the binary strings divisible by K. Then once again we'll go to that. Once again, question itself they clearly mentioned that try a DFA to accept the binary strings divisible by 5. Binary string means that is input symbols are 0, 1. See, that is called a D is equal to 0, 1. In the binary means randex is 2. Then once again divisible by 5. Then also in the previous example, see in the question itself, there are two types they can ask. One is constructed DFA which accepts only those strings representing 0 modulo 5. 0 modulo 5 means it will be modulo 5 is 5. That is only the here D is equal to 5. Then once again here also we can considering binary string, that is 0, 1. Then once again we can go for randex also, we can considering the 2. Then come to the step 1. For example, the string representing 0 modulo 5. 0 modulo 5 means, so always we can take it 0, 5, 10, 15. So if you are taking the 4-bit numbers, it will come for the 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. These are the divisible by 5 problems. We can take it that is in the binary format. The binary format means it will be 0 will be representing 0, 0, 0. Then 5 means representing 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 10 will representing 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then 15 will be representing 1, 1, etc. See, we can considering according to the problem. According to the problem, if any number divisible by 5 means that will be that numbers only we are taking, that is called a string representing 0 modulo 5s. Then come to the step 1. See, when we can go for the step 1, say identify the randex. Say identify the randex, input alphabets and the divisor. Then divisor is also very considering the binary number system. See, that's why we take it randex is equal to 2. Then randex is equal to 2. Then D is equal to, it is a binary randex we are considering. That's why sigma also we can take it that 0, 1. Then we can question itself that clearly mention that one divisor is, see, that is a modulo 5, either divisible by 5. Any number divisible by 5, that strings only we are considering. That is K is equal to 5. Clear? If you have any doubt in this randex, one more thing, D input symbol, then k is equal to divisor. If you have any doubt in this, students, see it is clear now. Are we can considering r, now we can considering 0 and 1, then are we can considering 5. The 5 is already given. The rand here we are taking the r is equal to randex because of binary number system. Then d is equal to 0 comma 1. Why we are taking 0 comma 1 is we can take the binary number system. Because of that reason we are taking the 0 comma 1. Then go to the step 2. See, compute the possible remainders. See, for example, any number divisible 5 means remainder will come 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, see, the 6 will means 5 divided by 5 means remainder is 0. 6 divisible by 5 means remainder is 1. Then 7 divisible by 5 means remainder is 2. 8 is divisible by 5 means remainder is 3. 9 is divisible by 5 means remainder is 4. Then if you continue that also, 10 will divisible by 5 means remainder is 0. The 11 means 1. 12 means 2. See, these are the possible remainders. Apart from this, any other remainder will come? Students? For example, here possibility remainders are I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apart from this, any other remainders will come divisible by 5? Any student?
No, sir.
Chetan, good. See, I is equal to 0, 1, 2. These are the possibilities remainder. Then using this one, we can go for constructing the transitions. They compute the transition using the relationship of that equations. That is only the equation is transition of q of I comma d is equal to q of j, where j is equal to r into I plus d modulo k. See, that is only the, once again I will repeat this equation. Transition of q of I comma d is equal to q of j, where j is equal to r into I plus d modulo k. See, that is only the, this is using. Then we can go for that table. See, we can using this remainder, then we can go for constructing this one. Just you can see, first one we take it the remainder. We are writing the table to calculate the transitions. First I will take the remainder, then d, then once again I will take the equation to calculate the j, r into I plus d modulo 5 is equal to j. Then I will show the transition of q of I comma d is equal to q of j. Then once again I will consider here I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0 means remainder, first remainder. See, all the 5 remainders also I will considering I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, then I is equal to 4. See, this remainder will be the states of your DFA: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. See, this is the Q0 state, this is the Q1 state, then it is a Q3 state. See, Q0 state, Q1 state, Q2 state, Q3 state, and Q4 state. Then what are the input symbols? D is equal to 0, 1. See, the Q0 state, where there are 2 inputs, then we can check the possibilities: Q0 of 0 and Q0 of 1. See, then Q1 of I is equal to 1 also, Q1 of 0, then Q1 of 1. Then Q2 state means Q2 of 0, Q2 of 1. Then once again Q3 means Q3 of 0, then Q3 of 1. Then Q4 means Q4 of 0, then Q4 of 1. Then here R is 2, then into I is equal to 0 plus D also 0. D will be take it here, then I is equal to 0, then D is equal to, in that particular column what the D is there, that value we can considering. Then R value is 2 into 0 plus 0. See, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 modulo 5 is 0 only. See, clear? See, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0 modulo 5 is 0 only. 0 modulo 5 is 0 only. The remainder, that 0 divisible by 5 is, remainder will be 0 only. Then we can go further doing the transition. The transition of Q0, Q of I means the Q of I is, I value is 0. That's why we take it Q of 0 comma D. D is 0. Q0 of 0 is equal to j value is 0, then it will come Q0 only. See, here you can consider D value, the D value is 0. The transition of Q0 Q0 of 0 is equal to Q0 only. Clear? If you have any doubt in this, students. Then, hello, I'm audible now. ನದೀಮ್ ನದೀಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಂಗೀತ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಈಗ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲವರೆಗೂ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಉಷಾ ಈ ನಡುವೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಅಕ್ಷಯ, ಸ್ನೇಹ, ಮನೋಜ್, ಚೇತನ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಆಕಾಶ್, ಶರಣ್, ಅನೀಶ್, okay students. See, I think everyone, it is very easy subject. Once if you know the concept, it's very very easy. Then one more thing, questions also it will come directly. That's why just you can concentrate the problem. So once you can understand the problem, then it is very very easy subject. It is a scoring subject. Then one more thing, you have already project marks is 300. It is individual projects. If you are getting in project out of out, in TOC out of out means there only you are getting the internal marks, full internal marks you are getting means totally your percentage will go for more than 75%. Just pass in remaining subjects also you are getting more than 75%. See, one more thing, you have four subject. I think lab and one more lab practical is there. Then if you have the co-curricular marks out of out, then one more thing, internal marks in all subjects you are getting out of out. Then project you are getting out of out. Then if you score this any one subject in out of out, 100% your marks will go for more than 75. Then one more thing, if you score more than 60% in all the subjects, 100% your result will go to more than 85 to 90%. So that's why please concentrate this semester. Don't neglect. If you are already placed also, just you can concentrate it. Then one more thing, if anyone interested to go for the higher studies, either PGC through PGCET, just if you are getting in the final semester good marks, then if you attend the CET, PGCET, either MAT, either CAT exam, either PGCET exam, if you score, you are getting the ranking means within the 100% you are getting the free seat in university, either any other colleges also. For example, if you go the management seat is more than 10 lakhs, minimum at least 5 to 10 lakhs. But if you go for the government seat, it will be only 50,000 for the year. For annum, only 50,000. So if you are anyone interested to go for higher studies, I think all the 80 students, you are the capable students only. So 100% you can just concentrate and you can study the previous PGCET question papers. All the questions are repeated only. It will be related to computer science, either basic mathematics. Just you can concentrate it. 100% you are getting the good college. Either already you are placed. See, one more thing, when you can go for after 2 years, 3 years, you can plan to change the company. That time they can see the percentage. That's why final year percentage also very very important. Just you can concentrate it. Then one more thing, see, we'll continue this problem. Then one more thing, see, that is called I is equal to 0. Then one more thing, D, another one is D. Then once again we'll means R into 0. See, 0 means I plus D value is 1, then modulo 5. See, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 modulus of 5 is 1 only. Then Q0 of 1. See, this is 1, D is 1. Q0 of 1 is equal to, what is the J value? 1. Then it is a Q of 1. See, this indicates the Q0 reads 0, it will go for Q0 only. Q0 reads 1, it will go for Q1. Q0 reads 1, it will go for Q1. Then same thing will repeat it here. The I is equal to 1. Then 0 and 1. So one more thing, see possibilities. Then see, it will be, it is a Q1 of 0. See, Q1 of D will be 0. Q1 of 0 means 2 into 1 means I value is 1 now. The 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 is 2, the modulo 5. So means 2 modulo 5 is 2 only. Then transition of q1 of 0 is equal to q2. See, j value is 2, that's why I will take it q2. Then once again, I is equal to 1, then d is equal to 1. The 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then this one is 3. Then 3 modulo 5 is 3 only. The q1 of d, q1 of 1 is equal to q3. q1 of 1 is equal to q3. Then once again, I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2. Then it is 0. Then 1. Then once again, we take it 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4 only. Then modulo 5. 4 modulo 5 is 4 only. Then q2 of 0 is equal to, it will go to the q4. Then q2 of 0 is equal to q4. Then once again, I is equal to 2. The d is equal to 1. The 2 into 1 is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 modulo 5 is, remainder is 0. See, then q2 of 1 is equal to q0. Then q2 of 1 is equal to, it will go to the q0 only. Then come to the I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3. Then 0 and 1. Then 2 into 3. Then 2. Then once again 3 is equal to I plus d value is 0. Means the 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 only. 6 modulo 5 is, remainder is 1. Then q3 of 1 is equal to q1. See, q3 of 1 is equal to, q3 of 0 is equal to q1. See, then once again, then q3 and 1. See, 2 into 3 means 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 means 7. 7 modulo 5 is 2. Then q3 of 1 is equal to q2. q3 of 1 is equal to q2. Then once again, I is equal to 4. Then once again 0. Then 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8 only, the modulo 5. Then 8 modulo 5 is, remainder is 3. The transition of q4 of 0 is q3. q4 of 0 is q3. Then I is equal to 4. Then once again 1. The transition 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 modulo 5 is, 9 modulo 5 is 4. Then transition of q4 of d is equal to q4. See, this is the way we can go for finding the transitions. The one more thing, just you can check this one table. See what is this table means. They clearly we mentioned that one, how we can calculate the transition means the transition of q of I is equal to I comma d is equal to q of j. Then where we can, how to calculate the j means iv is already given, d also already given, k also already given. Only we need to calculate the j. How to calculate the j is r into I plus d is equal to modulo k. See, this is the way we can go for finding the states of in divisible by k module. In divisible by k module. Then I will go to the constructor DFA. See here. Once we'll go for constructing the DFA here. First we'll take it Q0 state. Then once again, then we clearly here mention that Q0 of 0 is Q0. Then Q0 of 1 is Q1. See here, when we can go for constructing Q0 of 0 is Q0, Q0 of 1 is Q1. The Q1 of 0 is Q2, Q2. Then Q1 of 1 is Q3. Q1 of 1 is Q3. Then Q2 of 0 is Q4. Then Q2 of 1 is Q0. Then once again Q3 of 0 is Q1. Then Q3 of 1 is Q2. Then Q4 of 0 is Q3. Then Q4 of 1 is Q4. See, once again, students, now you can check it. Now you can check it. See, in this diagram, take possibility strings. See, in the beginning only we taken that the string representing a 0 modulo 5 is 4 zeros. For example, here starting state is Q0 only. Why? Because we are taking the starting this one. Starting state is Q0. The starting state also Q0, final state also Q0. If any number remainder is 0, then only this mission will be accepted. If any string we can divisible by 5, the remainder you are getting 0. See, that strings only it will be accepted this mission. If it is remainder is 1, 2, 3, the mission is not accepted. See, if you are if you take there are 4 zeros, because 0 will be divisible by remainder is 0 only. See, q0 of 0 is q0, it will be keep repeating, then it will be getting the output. Another one is 5 0 1 0 1. See, for example, first it will read the q0 of 0 is q0, q0 of 1 is q0 of 1 is q1, q1 of 0 is q2, q2 of 1 is q0. For example, q0 of 1 is q1, q1 of 0 is q2, q2 of 1 is q1, q1 of 0 is q0 only. So then it will be final state. Then come to that 4 ones. For example, 15, you can consider the 15. q0 of 1 is q1, q1 of 1 is q3, q3 of 1 is q4, q3 of 1 is q2, q2 of 1 is q0. See, then 5 means it will come to the final state. For example, you take it any other number. For example, you take it 12. 12 means for example 1 0, so 8 say 1100, that is the 12. For example, q0 of 1 is q1, q1 of 1 is q3, q3 of 0 is q1, q1 of 0 is q2. q2 is not a final state, that time it is not accepted. Just you consider any example. If that number will divisible by 5, then only it will be accepted, this mission. If it is not divisible by 5, mission is not accepted, that problems. See, that is only the this. Just you can try it in your home. Then after this, how you can define means design. The DFA is designed as one more thing, can be defined as only D is equal to 5 tuples q sigma delta q naught and f. Then here you can take it q is 5 states, q0, q1, q2, q3, q4. The sigma is input symbols, that is 0 comma 1. Then q naught is q0. See, that is a starting state. F also q0, because it is non-empty finite set of state. Then according to this diagram, we can construct the truth table. See, that is 0 comma 1, 0 and 1 is input symbols. The transition functions are q0, q1, q2, q3, q4. Then q0 only starting state, q0 only final state. Then q0 of 0 is q1, q0 of 1 is q1. Sorry, q0 of 0 is q0 only, q0 of 0 is q0, q0 of 1 is q1, the q1 of 0 is q2, q1 of 1 is q3, then q2 of 1 is q4, then q2 of 1 is q0, then once again q3 of 0 is q1, q3 of 1 is q2, then q4 of 0 is q3, q4 of 1 is q4. See, this is the way we can go for simplifying the K modulo problem. If you have any doubt in this, students, if you have any doubt, students, okay, then we'll go to the next problem. No, sir. Sneha. Then we can go for Raya DFA to accept the decimal string divisible by 5. See, one more thing. I will see here Raya DFA to accept the decimal string divisible by 5. Then once again we take it here. Step 1, identify the randex.
Sir, it is
Identify the
divisible
randex. 3 divisible by 3. See, that is only Raya DFA to accept the decimal string divisible by 3. Here randex is, see, then step 1, identify the randex, input alphabets and divisor. See, the randex is, what is the randex? Anyone? What is the randex of this problem? See, that question itself like clearly, Raya DFA to accept decimal string divisible by 3. Then decimal string is then randex is 10. Then once again randex is 10. Then input alphabet is D is equal to in the decimal number. What are the remainders? If you are any number, so one more thing. Once we are taking the R is equal to 10, the D will go for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. because the decimal number system there are 10 input symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then k is equal to 3.
Sir.
See, because here we considering the k is equal to 3 because divisible by 3. Then once again, step 2, compute the possible remainders. The possible remainders means any number divisible by 3 means remainders will come 0, 1, 2. So it is 0, 1, 2. If 3 divided by 3 means 0, 4 divisible by 3 means it is 1, then 5 divisible by 3 means it will be 2, 6 will repeat also, it will be remainders, possible remainders, it will come to only for 0, 1, 2. Now here I will consider d is equal to only 0, 1, 2, means either I will take consider I is equal to 0, 1, 2 only. No need to take here 0, 3, 6. Once again I will repeat that one later. Then step 3 means compute the transitions. The transition means that is only the transition of q of I comma a is equal to qj, where j is equal to r into I plus d is equal d. We can't take that one because it is a binary, any number system. Randex means base, number system base. See, it is a binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, either decimal number system. See, that time Randex will come any base of number system. For example, here we use the decimal number system, base will be 10. The previous example we use the binary, that's why base is 2.
Sir, how do
Clear?
we choose, sir, which system to use? How do we decide, like, which
Repeat,
one
madam,
should we-
initially, Saima.
Sir, how do we
Once
decide
again.
for a problem if we have to use the
See,
binary?
question itself they clearly mentioned. Okay. Question itself they mentioned clearly. Draw a DFA to accept the decimal string divisible by k. Decimal string. Clear. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಡಿಎಫ್ಎ ಟು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ to accept a decimal string. Decimal string means it is a decimal number. The previous example means the number will be, see, the draw a DFA to accept the binary string divisible by
Binary string, sir.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
Previous problem, sir.
See, question ನಲ್ಲಿ clear. See, that is draw a DFA to accept a binary string divisible by 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then
Thank you, sir.
then come to that problem. Okay,
Sir,
see,
I is equal to 3
then we using the
ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, sir?
decimal number.
I is equal to 3 ನು
I is equal to
ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 3 0
I
1
is
2
equal to
3
3 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 3 will be 3 divided by 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್?
0 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ
then
sir.
0 I will be taking only reminders.
Okay, sir.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀನಿ.
I explained that one clearly. R is a randex of input. For example, if you then we can take I is equal to remainders obtained after divisible by k. K means 3. Question itself they clearly mentioned that one k in the divisible ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what are the remainders? If any number divisible by 3 means it will be getting the remainders are 0, 1, 2. Possible by any number 5. Remember here. One second. See here. Once again. See here it will be the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. Then come to the computing the transitions. Then this is the equation. It is a common equation. The transition of q of I comma a is equal to q of j. See, I is called a remainders. J is equal to, after simplifying this one, see, we can get it the j. The j equation is r into I plus d modulo k. See, if you are multiply with randex into I possible remainder plus input symbol modulo k. But here j is equal to 10 into I plus d modulo 3. See, we can considering the j is equal to 10 into I plus modulo 3. Then we'll go for computing that transitions. See, before going these transitions, so I'm telling that for convenience, for our convenience, let us group the digits from 0 to 9 based on the remainders. For example, our convenience, we can go for, see, we can't do for, see, we do it Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8. If we are interested to take all possible, means 10 possibilities is there. So avoiding that one, we can considering according to the remainders, see 0, 3, 6, 9. If you divisible by 3 means you are getting the remainder is 0 only. Then 0, 3, 6, 9. See, that is only the, see, we can group it that one. The transition from 0, 3, 6, 9, it will go for, it will be go to the 0 only. Another one is, we see 1, 4, 7 with 1 as the remainder, so that transition from 1, 4, 7 is transition from 1, means Q0 of 0, where it will go, see there only Q0 of 3 also it will be going, the Q0 of 6 also it will go there only, the Q0 of 9 also it will go that state only. See, I will tell you that one later. Then come to that 2, 5, 8. Here where remainder is 2, see, as remainder is 2, so that we can write a transition from 2, 5, 8 is equal to transition from 2. See, because of that convenience, we take it D is equal to 0, 1, 2. So 0 indicates 0, 3, 6, 9. Then 1 indicates 1, 4, 7. Then 2 indicates 2, 5, 8. See, that is only the this one. For example, see Q0. See, that is called I is equal to Q0. Then here possible first input we are taking each and every possible remainders as 0, 1, 2. Then I is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2. Then I is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2. Then if you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also, 9, 10 also. See, Q0 of 0, what will come? Same only it will come to the Q0 of 3. Then Q0 of 6 also same it will come. That's why avoiding that one, I will take only for 0, 1, 2. See, that is only Q0 of 0. It will be Q0 of 0, 3, 6, 9 is equal to Q0 only. So I will show you that problem. First we take randex is R, means 10. First D is equal to 0 into I value is 0 plus D value also 0. 10 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 10, 0 only. The modulo 3 is 0 only. See, if you are getting J value also 0, then transition of Q of I is, I value is here 0. Q of 0, 0 is equal to D value is 0, then it will go to the Q0 only. That indicates transition of Q0, Q3, Q6, Q9. The Q0 of 0 also it will go for Q0. Q0 of 3 also it will go to the Q0. Q0 of 6 also it will go to the Q0. Q0 of 9 also it will go to the Q0. Then we'll take another one is D value. We'll change the D value, that is 1. 10 into 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Modulo of 3 is 1 only. Then Q0 of 1 it will go to the Q1. Then that is the transition of Q0 of 1, 1, 4, 7. The Q0 of 1 also Q1. Q0 of 4 also Q1. Q0 of 7 also it will be Q1 only. See, then once again we take it the 2. D is equal to 2. 10 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. The modulo 3 is 2. Modulo 3 means 2 only. The transition of Q0 of 2. Q0 of 2 is Q2 only. Then here transition of Q0 of 2, 5, 8 means Q0 of 2 also Q2. Q0 of 5 also Q2. Q0 of 8 also Q2 only. Then once again I is equal to 1. Then once again I is equal to 1. Then same 0, 1, 2. The transition of 10 into 1 is 0. 10 into 1 is 10 only plus 0. 10 modulo of 3 means 10 divided by 3. Remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. So once it will come, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So then is Q1 of 0. The Q1 of 0 is, it will go to the Q1. See, that is only the transition of Q1 of 0, 3, 6, 7. It will go to the 1 only. See, that is only Q0 of 1 also Q1. Q0 of 3 also 1. Q0 of 6 also 1. Q0 of 9 also 1. Then once again 10 into 1 into, no, 10 into 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. Modulo of 3 is, remainder we are getting 2. The transition of Q1 of 1 is Q2. Then once again it will be a transition of Q1 of 1 comma 4 comma 7 is q2 only. Then once again we can come to the transition of 1 into 10 into 1 plus 2 means 10 plus 2 is 12. Then modulo of 3 is, then 12 divided by 3 means remainder is 0. That's why transition of 1 comma 2 is equal to q0 only. Then transition of 1 comma 258, 258 is q0. See, that is only the q1 of 2 also q0, q1 of 5 also q0, q1 of 8 also q0. Then come to the I is equal to 2. Then once again d is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2. Then once again 10 into 2 is 20, 20 plus 0, the modulo of 3. 20 divided by 3 means remainder is 2. Then q2 of 0 is equal to q2 only. Then transition of q2 of 0 means 0369, it will be q2 only. Then once again the transition of 10 into 2 plus 1, the modulo of 3 means 10 into 2 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 21 divided by 3 means remainder is 0. Then q2 of 1 is q0 only. The transition of q2 of 1 means 147, that will be 0. Then once again I 10 into 2 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, divided by 3 means remainder will be 1. The transition of q2 of 2 is equal to q1. See, that is only the transition of q1, q2 of means 2 is 248. See, that will be remainder is it will go to the state is q1. See, that is only the, but simplifying weak our convenience, I will take this one. So just we do one state also, we get it, it will be all 4 states. If here we are getting one state also, it will be remaining 2 states, we are getting the output is same. See, because of that reason we did like this. Then we'll go for defining the DFA. See, constructing the DFA according to this. See, here the states are q0, q1, q2. See, states are q0, q1, q2, but here also remainder is 0. See, that's why any number divisible by 0, that's why we take it starting state is q0 only. Like q0, q1, q2. See, here q0 reads, see, it is q0 reads 1, it will go to the q1. See, q0 reads 1, it will go to the q1. q0 reads 4 also, it will go to the q1. q0 reads 7 also, it will go to the q1. Then q1 reads 1, it will go to the q2. q1 reads 1, it will go to the q2. That is 1 comma 4. Then q2 reads 1, it will go to the, sorry, q2 reads 258, it will go to the q1. Then once again q0, then q2 reads 1, it will go to the q0, that is 147. Then q0 reads 0, it will itself, that is 017. Then once again, then q2 reads 2, it will go to the q2. Then once again q1 reads 0367, it will be itself. Then here starting state is q0 only, the final state also q0. Then defined, the DFA defined can be where d is equal to q sigma delta q naught, then q is equal to q0, q1, q2. The sigma is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then q0 is q0, f also q0. Then we can do the transitions. The transition of q0 0369, q0 of 0369 also, it will go to the q2. q0 of 147 also, it will go to the q2. q0 of 256 also, it will go to the q2. The q1 of 0369 also, it will go to the q2. The q1 of 147 also, it will go to the q2. q1 of 258, it will go to the q0. Then q2 of 0369, it will go to the q2. Then q2 of 1 comma 4 comma 7 also, it will go to the q0. Then q2 of 258 also, it will go to the q1. See, that is only the this one. If you have any doubt, display the table is right. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸರಿ q0 of 036, it will be q0 only alva, q0. Then q0 of 1457 is q1. Then q0 of 256 is q2. then Q1 of 0356 is Q1, that is Q1, then Q1 of 1457 is Q2, then Q1 of 256 is Q0, the Q2 of 0367 is Q2, Q2 of 147 is Q0, the Q2 of 256 is Q2. Why? Because I given all our Q2 states means just you can you only rectify that problem. Because of that reason I given that one. Just you only try to put it the exact states. Then if you have any doubt in this,
No, sir.